Hey guys, it's Gina. Today I'm going to tell you about CeraVe's Hydrating Cream-to-Foam Cleanser and why I use this one. I really like it's for normal to dry skin. I'm going to clean my face with it and I'm going to tell you all about it. So I am using the CeraVe Hydrating Cream-to-Foam Cleanser. I love this one for normal to dry skin because it starts out creamy and hydrating. But once you add water to it, it does turn into a soft foam that actually feels like it's getting everything off, including your makeup and sunscreen. As I'm massaging it in gently around my nose, my jawline, it never feels like it's stripping. It does have hyaluronic acid, so my skin feels comfortable while I'm washing it. And I really love that it's fragrance-free and non-comedogenic, which is a big deal if your skin is sensitive or you're prone to breakouts. Once you have it lathered up all over your skin and you feel like you're done, you are ready to rinse it away. Another great product by CeraVe. We love that CeraVe puts out so many great products, and this is another great one.